In today's video, we'll dive deep into Robinhood, a popular brokerage that has attracted millions of users. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, you've probably heard about its commission-free trades and the sleek app interface. But how does it really stack up? In this honest review, I'll share my real experience and the pros and cons of using Robinhood, so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's jump straight into the key features. Robinhood became famous for its commission-free trades, making it a favorite among first-time investors. The app itself is incredibly easy to use, with a sleek and simple design. You can buy and sell stocks, options, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies with just a few taps on your phone. It feels empowering, especially for beginners who want to dip their toes into investing without high fees eating into their profits. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few things to watch out for. One drawback is that while Robinhood doesn't charge for trades, it does make money in ways that might not be immediately obvious, like payment for order flow. This means your orders may not always be executed at the best price possible, which could lead to higher costs in the long run. Additionally, customer service has been a sticking point for many users, as there have been complaints about the lack of direct support and response times. And what about advanced traders? While the platform is great for beginners, some seasoned investors might find the lack of more sophisticated tools and features limiting. Margin trading is available, but the rates aren't as competitive as with some other brokers. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Coming back to Robinhood, another consideration is the Gold membership, which costs $5 a month and gives you access to margin trading and professional research tools. While this might be useful for more active traders, the cost can add up for smaller investors who might not take full advantage of these benefits. In summary, Robinhood is a great platform for beginners looking to make their first trades without incurring fees. But as with any trading platform, it's important to understand the hidden costs and consider whether the available features match your investing style. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you found the information helpful.